Do not fall into this trap of overpriced courses of these online gurus, because they are teaching you stuff that they have never done anything like that themselves. So if you want to make money online and you're still looking for a perfect method to make money online, this is the last video that you will ever need to watch. Making money is pretty simple once you analyze everyone else who is making a lot of money online and you see how they are doing it. If you truly look at these online businessmen who have scaled their business to millions and even billions, people like Iman Ghazi and Andrew Tate, Luke Belmar, Hamza, I can literally keep on going forever. If you look at them, they are not businessmen, they are YouTubers, they are content creators, they are just producing content on every platform, and that is the key. I have found this loophole which is going to change your life. Literally, if you want to make money online, it's going to take time. There's nothing like that you start today and you have printed $1,000 today and in the next 10 days you have printed $1 million. It doesn't happen like that. It takes time. So the first step is getting attention. You need to harness attention as much as possible in this online world. You need to get on the social media and refuse to consume content. Only produce content. Produce. If you produce content for enough amount of time, there's no way that you can lose with social media. I've never seen a guy who has posted 500 videos on Instagram and still not get followers. I've never seen a guy who has posted 1,000 YouTube videos and still not have many subscribers. I've never seen a guy who has done 30,000 tweets and still not get a good amount of followers on Twitter. It's simply a numbers game again. You don't even have an idea how much volume it takes to make that much amount of money. You see all these millionaires, they are having a lot of followers on Twitter. They're having a lot of followers on Instagram. They are having a lot of subscribers on YouTube. They are now on every social media. Every businessman is getting on the social media and starting their personal brand, and it's for a reason. If you're afraid to show your face online and if you cannot even use your voice, then get on Twitter. You literally have to type some things out and you can get many followers. Just produce value. And what to post? Just do stuff and talk about it. That's the most simplest business model. That's what I do. That's what every other successful individual online does. Just do some stuff and then talk about it. Teach people from your experience. Talk about your next plans. And why am I revealing this stuff to you guys? It's because it doesn't matter what I tell to you. You will simply not implement it unless you have paid for it. You might think that this guy is talking some random bullshit and he doesn't know what he's talking about, but I very well know what I'm talking about, and this is the secret of all of these online millionaires. Just simply getting a lot of attention through social media. If you're watching this video, most probably you are a teenager and you want to make money online. Just get on the social media for the next 5 years and you will see how much money you will make. Second step is getting credibility online. So you've got on the social media and now you're producing content. The most easiest way to get credibility online is to teach individuals with your own experience. Maybe something happened in your business that you want to teach others. Maybe you started your own personal brand. Just teach it to others how to do it. Maybe you started an Instagram theme page. Just teach it to others how to do it. Just talk about it online. Just go and give free tips, free value. Your free value should be better than people's paid value. That's how you get a loyal fan base online. And when you have a loyal fan base online, then you can literally make money out of anything. You can get a service or a product to deliver and you can start selling it online. You have to make money by solving other people's problems. So you are genuinely helping individuals but at a profit. It's that simple to make money online. It's what Iman Ghazi is doing. And then Andrew Tate is also a very smart guy who understood this completely. He conquered the social media because he knew that that's the most efficient way of making money online. And it's not that easy. It's not like these guys were lucky. Sneeko was creating content since he was 12. Now you know that it genuinely takes time. These guys were not millionaires. These guys spent 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, even 10 years just harnessing that one single skill. Let it be content creation, let it be sales, let it be marketing, let it be copywriting. It can be anything. Just start and master one skill for a long period of time. You are still a teenager. Maybe in the next 5 years, you will have a great following online and then you can make money with your skills. And I bet that you will thank me later for this tip. And don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe if you have already watched this video to the end. Peace out.